chapter 19, Waste Generation and Management. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain about the category of the waste, or you can say the type of the waste. So let us see. Category of waste. Dear student, basically wastes are being categorized mainly in 5 types. First, domestic waste. Second, industrial waste. Third, agriculture waste. Fourth, municipal waste. And fifth, e-waste, or known as electrical waste or electronic waste. So I am going to explain this all the type of the waste in detail. So let us start with first, domestic waste. So let us see first domestic waste. The waste like kitchen waste, plastic, glass, rags, and paper. Dear student, the waste like kitchen waste, plastic, glass, rags and paper are being considered as a domestic waste. So dear students, which type of the waste are known as kitchen waste? For example, peeling of the fruits or the vegetables, waste food or extra food, stale breads or leftover food, these all are known as kitchen waste. All the waste which used to come out from the kitchen, as I told you about the covering of the fruits, vegetables, stale food, leftover food, waste water which is being used for washing, pulses, rice and other cereal. After that, the used water also known as kitchen waste. Plastic. Dear student, you are familiar of polythene which is being used to carry certain type of food item. When we go to purchase some item to the grocery shop, the shopkeeper used to give us the material in the polythene. Once we use that material, edible material, now that polythene or the plastic is of the no use. So it also acts as domestic waste. Glass. In our home, certain containers are of the glass. We are using till it is in proper condition. Once it is being broken or being cracked, it acts as a waste only. Rags, old clothes, bed sheet or certain type of blanket considered as a rag. Dear student, how we can do the management? How we can do the management of this rag? Either this old cloth, old bed sheet, blankets can be given to the poor person, or some other type of the material can be made by stitching it. We have to give this type of the rags, old cloth to the poor, or we have to make such type of the material like the doormat or any other thing. Paper. Daily newspaper used to come to our home. We used to go through it. Once we read it, now it is being considered as a waste. So we have not to throw here and there. In spite, keep in proper order, and later on, when the hawkers or the Radiwala used to come, we have to hand over to them this old paper magazine so that it can be sent to the factory unit, and again it can be recycled, dear student. So this way we can do the management of the paper, rags, also glass. This glass also can be recycled and made a new container or new type of the item which can be used by the human being. So the broken glass also should be sent to the factory unit so it can be recycled. Plastic, the same, recycling can be done, and kitchen waste can be dumped in the special pit, and later on it can be converted into manure. Or either if their domestic animals are there, we can give the kitchen waste to the domestic animal as a fodder. So this way the domestic waste can be management or being managed. Next I am going to explain you about industrial unit. First you should know which are the sources which used to give waste. So the sources for the industrial waste are mines. During the mining operation, lot of the waste is being produced. Second is cement industries. Cement industries. Third, oil refineries. And construction units. So dear student, these are the sources from which we get the industrial waste. From mines. Thousands of the mines are in India, and all around the world more than that. Maybe the million or more than the million. So during the mining operation, lot of the waste used to come out. To get the pure thing, for an example, from the coal mines, coal is removed, and along with coal, other waste also used to come, like the rock, mud, lot of the gases used to come out. So the mud is being used as a landfill. Rocks can be used for the construction unit, and other type of the waste like the some white type of the mud also used to come out, which can be used for making the bricks, tiles or other things. So during the mining operation, this waste used to come out, and we have to use the proper management, means proper way we have to use it. As the stove can be used for the construction, as the mud which used to come out, it can be used for the landfilling, or it can be used for making the certain type of the bricks or the tiles. Next, from the cement industry. Cement industry, the most important waste used to come out, that is the fly ash. Fly ash, which is being used by the brick factories to make the brick or also tiles. Other liquid waste also used to come out, which are being just spread on the land, open land, and after that the waste, it is being collected and can be used for the other purpose also. Next is the oil refineries. During the refining of the crude oil, lot of the other waste used to come out. This liquid waste are being made certain type of other items, like the certain lubricants are being made. Other also it is being used for making the cosmetic item. You may have seen Vaseline, which is being a type of the lubricant used for applying over the body. It is a petroleum jelly, waste of the crude oil. So the waste of the oil, it is being used to make the different type of the things. As I told you about the lubricant, cosmetic item, this all are it is being made. Next, about the construction unit. From the construction unit, lot of the solid materials we get it, that can be used to making the construction of, which are the agricultural waste. First, agricultural residue. Second, bagasse. Third, pesticides and fertilizer. And animal waste. So dear student, these are considered as a agricultural waste, agricultural residue, which used to include part of the plant. Suppose that paddy plant, the seed part we used to consume, and the rest part, leaves, stem, these are used as a food for the animals. So that is known as agricultural residue. So agricultural residue act as fodder for the animal. Next is the bagasse. Bagasse basically it is known as the waste of sugarcane. From the sugarcane stem, juice is being extracted after crushing it, and the solid waste of that stem, it is known as bagasse. The use of the bagasse, it is being used in the paper industry, either for the burning as a fuel for cooking food. So bagasse, solid waste, it is being burned for cooking food. Next is the pesticide and fertilizer. It is being advised to the farmer to use a less amount of pesticide and fertilizer to reduce the pollution, water urine, liquid waste of animals. This waste used as a manure to increase the fertility of the soil. Also, the waste of animal can be used in the biogas plant for the production of the methane gas, and methane gas act as a fuel for cooking food, dear student. So these are about the agricultural waste. Next is municipal waste. Dear student, which are the sources for the municipal waste? So the sources of the municipal waste are household discharge of excreta, kitchen washing, discharge of hospital, office, hotels, etc. Dear students, household discharge of the excreta, kitchen washing, discharge of hospital, offices, restaurants. So these waste are being carried by the sewer as a sewage. And first of all, this discharge or the waste are being categorized into two types: degradable and non-degradable. So those which are can be degraded are being collected in the pit where it is being used to degrade, and later on it is being mixed to the soil. Whereas the waste of the municipal waste, which is non-degradable, it is being buried far from the residential area. So dear students, municipal waste, discharge of the house or the kitchen, discharge from the toilet, hospitals, office, hotels, restaurant. This discharge are being managed in this way if it is separated in the degraded and non-degradable. Degradable one, it is being collected in the, or it is being made to collect in a particular pit where it is to degrade, and after that it is being mixed to the soil. But those type of the waste which is non-biodegradable, it is being just filled in the open landfill, and later on it is being covered with the soil, or in a trench it is being dug and the waste it is being dumped and filled it to the non-degradable municipal waste. Next I am going to explain you about the e-waste. E-waste, the source of the e-waste is electronic appliances. Electronic appliances. The electronic appliances like electronic gadget like TV, radio, cell phone, or any type of the gadget you can say. As it is being spoiled or it is of the old type of version. So these all the discarded materials of the electronic waste. the outer covering which is made of the plastic of the electronic gadget. This outer covering should be sent to the factory unit where it can be recycled, and the inside or the valuable material should be used again. So dear students, these are the 5 category of the waste: domestic waste, industrial waste, agricultural waste, municipal waste and e-waste. So please you read the topic and try to learn about it. Thank you dear students.